Hi, this is A. Bashir Ahmed, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Jammu College, Trichy. In this video, we are going to see the basics of PHP. So, PHP is nothing but it is an hypertext preprocessor. PHP stands for hypertext preprocessor. It is a server-side scripting. What is server-side scripting means? That is any script which executes on the server. What is script? Script is nothing but if you give any validation to the web page, then it is called script. It can be run in client machine also. It is a powerful tool for creating a dynamic web page. So dynamic web page is nothing but validation will be present in this dynamic web page. For example, if you are entering any form, if anything goes wrong, some information should be displayed. That is called validation. If anything goes wrong, some information will be displayed. That is called dynamic. So using PHP we can create dynamic web pages. Your Facebook application uses the PHP only. It is a open source scripting languages. That is, it is freely available. It executes on web server. For example, Apache web server. LAMP. So you should know the concept of LAMP. Your PHP executes in LAMP server. LAMP stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP. PHP is ready to use with CMS. CMS content management system. Content can be displayed in different manner such as WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, etc. So these are the softwares used to develop the websites. PHP is ready to use e-commerce application such as Amazon, Azanta, Zencode, OpenCart, Drupal, etc. PHP is reused to use the framework. The basic concept of PHP is the first one is the lexical structure. What is the lexical structure? If we want to write a program in any language, we should follow some rules. That is called lexical structure. So lexical structure first part is token. Token is nothing but smallest individual unit in a program. That is, if you take any program, if you found any individual unit, then it is called as token. I will explain this later. So there are some tokens present. These are the tokens present in your PHP: comment, white space, semicolon, variables, constant, literals, delimiters, operators, keywords. We will discuss about this. What is a comment? Comment will not be executed. It should not be executed. It is for user understandable. We are using comments. It is similar to your C++ single line command and multi-line command, double slash and slash star, etc. star slash. Nice. The next concept is white space. White space, it is used to separate tokens. White space is used to separate tokens. For example, if I write PHP and then some coding, document.write, etc. So the white space is used to separate tokens. Semicolon, each statement in PHP should end with semicolon. That is considered to be a token. Now, what is a variable? Variable is used to store the values. The general form of the variable is, the symbol is called, so you should use the symbol, dollar. Dollar is called as here sigil. It is called as sigil. If you want to declare any variable in PHP, before the variable name, you should use the sigil symbol. Next, rules for framing variables. The first rule is it can be alphanumeric. It should not start with numbers. Special symbols are not allowed except underscore. White space are not allowed. Case sensitive. It is a case sensitive. So it can be alphanumeric. The variable may be A1, 2 like this. It should not start with numbers. It should not start with 1A, B like this. It is wrong. Special symbols are not allowed except underscore. That is, I cannot write $A, $A greater than symbol. These are not allowed. Underscore is allowed. Then white space are not allowed. It is a case sensitive. That is, small a is different from capital A. Invalid variable names. Why it is invalid? Because here we are using open parenthesis. 2 underscore ABC because it starts with the digit A. ABC. Why it is invalid? Why it is invalid? ABC. After A, white space is there. B, white space is there. So it is not allowed. Then this is also the same concept. White space is not. Greater than symbol is allowed. Not allowed. Greater than less than symbol is not allowed. Asterisk is not allowed. Okay. What is a constant? It is a variable whose value cannot be changed. This constant can be declared. Constant can be declared using constant name and then values. Value. Constant name should be, in order to identify the constant in a program, it is advisable to use the capital letter. It is not must. It is advisable to use a capital letter for constant. So the value of max is 30. Whenever if you use max in your program, you will get the value 30. Literals. There are 3 types of literals. Then integer, string, and then double. So these are the 3 types of literals in your PHP. Delimiters. What is delimiters? It is a separators. What is separator? Open braces, close braces. These are the separators. These are the separators. PHP. This is an array separator. This is a function separator, etc. We'll move for next slide. Data types. Your PHP supports 8 types of data types: integer, double, boolean, null, string, arrays, object, resources. And then array, object, resources are the new data types. This object resource is a new data type comparing to other languages. Okay. Expression. If you say expression should produce the value. That value will be stored in the output variable. Then operators. There are some operators. These are the following operators supported by PHP: assignment operator, comparison operator, increment, decrement, logical operator, string operator, etc. Then arithmetic operator, plus, minus, star, slash, then modulus. So $x plus y, x is 15, y is 5, so you will get the output as 20. Then x minus y 10. Assume that x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 5. Based on that, you evaluate this value. Then assignment operator. What is an assignment operator? Assignment operator, x is equal to 5 used to assign the value. X plus equal to y is represent x is equal to x plus y, so you will get 20. X minus equal to y, x is equal to x minus y equal to 10. X star equal to y, that is x is equal to x star y, that is 75, that is 15 into 5. X slash y, x is x plus slash y is equal to, you will get answer as 3, not 23, you will get answer as 3. Okay. Comparison operator, it is similar to your C and C++. Then logical operator, and or not, it is also similar to your C and C++. Array operator, these operators works with an array. We will discuss about these array operators later. Then flow control statements. So these are the statements present in your PHP. We will see the if statement. So if statement, this if statement, if the condition is true, this will execute. That is the concept of if statement, similar to this one. $A equal to 60. So variable A should be defined like this. And then A is greater than or equal to 18. So you will get the output as 60 is greater than 18. So the condition is true. Eligible for vote. You will get the output as eligible for vote. Next. Program using if else. If you use if else, if the condition is true, this will execute. If it is false, this will execute. So according to our example, $A equal to 60. 60 is greater than or equal to 18. Condition is true, so eligible for what will be displayed, it will not display. Program using if else, so same concept. Program using switch, it is similar to your C and C++. Observe the program carefully. Then program using while loop, it is also similar to your C++. The thing is that instead of printf statement, you should use echo statement. Echo is the print statement. So echo $i, it will print the value of I. So the output for this program is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Up to infinite level it will goes, because there is no increment for I. So if you want to increment I, $e equal to $i plus 1. Then program using do while loop, similar to your C++. Program using for loop, similar to your C++. The same initialization, condition, and then initialization, condition, and what? Increment or decrement. Okay. If you want to terminate the loop, if I is equal to 2, for example, for each is a statement used only for an array. So we'll discuss about this for terminating loop entity in later videos. So function, set of codes will be placed in function to perform specific task. So if you want to declare any function in your PHP, so you should declare function, a keyword function should be used. A keyword function should be used, function bat, echo batting star within the Sevak. Then you can call the function using the function name. So the output is batting star within the Sevak. Example 2, in this program we are raising two functions, that is bat and bowl. I am calling bat and bowl. We get the output as batting star Virendra Sehwag, bowling star Rashid Khan. Example 3, you can use the for statement like this. Operator precedence, this is an order of an execution of an operator. That's it about this video.